Hi again, let's continue practicing the correct pronunciation of American sounds, vowels, letters, diphthongs. Continue watching. Now we'll start with the first letter sound, vowel, diphthong, that is ear, ear. Okay, for example, in like the words clear and beard and all of those. We'll start with these letters, with these words. For example, appear, beer, beer, career, cashier, cereal, cheer. Practice another vowel sound, that is air. Maybe we can consider it like a brother, far brother, cousin, till you hear the sound, the difference. You hear when I start to say sound is air. The last one was ear. Now let's practice the words. We have the first air, air, airplane, America, anywhere, area, arrow, aware, aware. Okay, we have all the list right here below. You can practice, try to improve. Thank you. The next one. Let's continue practicing these special sounds, vowel sounds. Okay, this one is the R, the vowel sound R. The words, for example, is are alarm, apartment, R, army, earth, article, verb. This family, I call it family of sounds, R, R, ear. We have more, we have really more, and continue watching. In the next video we'll add two sounds more, because it's like the vowels R, ear, or ur. Continue watching for the next video.